and welcome to our YouTube channel, friends. And today we are back with another educational video for all of you. And today we are going to discuss some general things about technical analysis. We are going to clear some myths of yours, as well as we are going to create some value for your technical analysis. With that, you can understand the basics of the technical analysis, and it can also help in controlling your greed. If you have problem that you guys are getting carried away by greed and making your profitable position into loss making one, so we are going to clear that also. So let's start this video, friends. So when we are doing technical analysis, it is assumed that we have an accuracy rate of 70 to 80%. Means to say that if you are taking 100 calls, 70 to 80 of your calls will go in the right direction, and rest 20 to 30 calls will give you loss. So that is the general assumption of the technical analysis, and we should not avoid this. We should accept it. It might be possible that the out of the 100 calls, starting 20 to 30 calls are going all in the loss, and the rest one are going in the profit. So you need to be patient enough. You need to wait for your calls to go in the right direction. Keep working hard, keep looking for the opportunities. Don't over stress or don't overemphasize the trading. Just take it light and wait for the right time for the entries, and be patient, because as we mentioned in the technical analysis, that trading and investing or stock market overall is a game of probabilities. Be patient and turn the odds in your favor is the general saying in the market, and you should not ignore that. That is true. So work of technical analysis is generally based on the human psychology. Technical analysis doesn't work because of any scientific research or anything. Just this is a general human psychology. Because of that, technical analysis works, and it is assumed that people will never learn from their mistakes and will do the same mistakes as they have done in the past. Whatever the mistakes you have committed in the past, it is assumed by the technical analysis that you will repeat them again. So if you want to use technical analysis and you want to earn through technical analysis, you need to stand out of it. You should not be the one of a kind who repeats his or her mistakes again and again. You should be the one who learns from the mistake, because technical analysis is based on the assumptions that human psychology will never change, and they'll keep on committing similar mistakes again and again if they are given the same problem in the future also. And if you want to earn through TA, then you should be stand apart from this general assumption. Technical analysis basically gives us three things. It gives us a target, it gives us a stop loss, and it gives us a risk to reward ratio. And what risk and reward ratio? How can you plot the risk and reward ratio on the charts? Let's see that. What can we do? So we can on the tradingview.com, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and the seventh block. We go here and we'll see two things: long position and short positions. I have marked them favorite, so they are visible over here on my chart. Now let's take a long position. Here is the long position. Here I am taking the entry. So this is my risk to reward ratio. This my target is 35, and my stop loss is also 35 point. So my risk to reward ratio is 1:1. Now let's try to increase it. Let's try to increase this risk to reward ratio. Here we go. So general technical analysis assume that 1.33 1:3 is the best reward to ratio to have. So 35 is the stop loss and 46.455 is my target. So this is how you plot your stop loss to target ratio, risk to reward target ratio on a trading view chart. And similarly you can do that with the short position. Here is the short position. Here I'm taking the short position, and here I'm marking it, and here I can expand it. Look at this, 2.29 the ratio. Now what is most confusing thing that people have, that what should be our risk to reward ratio? If we have a target, we have a stop loss. Generally what happens in the TA that you will get one stop loss and 2 to 3 different levels of target. So what the risk to reward ratio should one have? It's the general question asked by the people. They don't understand what hour to hour they should maintain. So if you are very confident about the your analysis, and you feel that whatever analysis I have done, I am very confident on it and it surely go right, the probability of it going right is more, then your risk to reward ratio should be high. And your if your analysis is not that good and you feel like there are some loopholes and it might go wrong, then your risk to reward ratio should be low. And it applies these basics of the technical analysis applies to all kind of trading. People think that the intraday is the only kind of trading, but that is not true. There are some intraday means day traders. They trade for a day, they take entry in the morning, or they take and they exit in the closing time of the market. And then there are scalpers who comes to capture the move of 1 to 2 hours. Then there are some swing traders who are generally trades for a week. Then there are some positional traders also, those who create their positions until their targets are achieved or stop losses are hit. And these are the different kind of traders we have, and these general basics of the technical analysis applies to all of them. And the most important thing in the technical analysis is to identify the trend. So there are different kind of trends also in the market. There is first primary trend, which is of more than 1 year. Then there is intermediate trend, which is of 1 month to 6 months, and that there is short-term trend of 1 to 4 weeks. So you should be the one who knows all the trend before taking any kind of further analysis and taking entry or exit from your position. So I hope guys this video is helpful to build a good psychology for all of you while you do the trading next time. So if you like the video, please do comment and tell us, and please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video guys.